Getting your offer accepted is not the end of the home buying process. If you're not careful, that dream home can quickly become a missed opportunity. Hi, I'm Marni Kelce with Colorado Home Realty, and I'm about to save you from losing out on your dream home. Over the years, I've seen many buyers make these mistakes after they've already gone under contract on a home. So here are 10 must-nots. Number 1, don't change your job, become self-employed, or quit your job prior to closing. 2, don't buy a new automobile, a truck, or a van because you just may end up living in it. 3, don't open up any new credit cards, lines of credit, or let your accounts fall behind. Pay them off each month, remembering not to have more than 30% of available credit used at any one time. 4, don't spend any money you have set aside for closing costs or cash to close. 5, don't omit any debt or liabilities from your loan application. They will find them, and it could be after you no longer have protection for your earnest money. Number 6, don't buy any furniture, a new washer and dryer, or anything for your new home, even if they say the payment is deferred until after closing. I know you're excited, but just wait. Number 7, don't allow any additional inquiries on your credit except for homeowners insurance purposes. Number 8, don't make any large deposits or take out any large withdrawals without first checking with your realtor or your lender. 9, don't change banks or credit unions. And lastly, don't co-sign on a loan for anyone for anything. By following these 10 rules of buying, you will make the process seamless and not suddenly find you no longer are approved for the loan that you once were. Please reach out and let me be your advocate on your home buying journey. Again, this is Marni Kelce, your community market leader and realtor extraordinaire. Thanks for watching.